Hi there, it's Jonathan from JPL, and today we're going to be having a look at headset hygiene and why it's really important, not only just for the life of the headset, but also for the avoidance of bacteria and infections. So I'm going to take the headset and just show you exactly what to do to clean it and maintain it. But the tutorial should also apply to other headset brands. Just before you do, check with their recommendations first. You will need a small microfiber cloth, Q-tips or cotton wool buds, a mild washing up liquid mixed into warm water, not too foamy. Unplug the wired headset from your telephone or computer. Remove the ear cushion carefully from the headset. Dip the cloth into the soapy water solution. Wring out as much moisture as possible. You don't want any drips of soapy water getting into your headset. With Element models, you can remove the boom module to clean the headband separately. Wipe away any grime on your headset by working in gentle circles. You can also use the Q-tip to reach smaller, hard-to-reach sections of the headset. For leatherette ear cushions, these can be wiped with soapy water and left to dry. If the ear cushions are of foam material, these can be soaked and fully submerged, then left to dry. We recommend that all ear cushions are replaced every 6 months. Let the headset and ear cushions dry completely before reassembling for use to avoid damage and shocks. You can also speed the drying process by wiping the headset with a dry microfiber cloth. So we recommend to prevent the buildup of bacteria. After every use, on the end of the day, just give your headset a quick wipe down with a non-alcoholic wipe. But with the rise of hybrid working, cleaning your headset is not the only thing that you need to do to protect your headset. We offer two types of travel case for our headsets. JPL Tough Case has a hard outer shell to prevent damage from water and other items in your bag. It also has a soft inner lining with mesh pocket to keep additional cables and other accessories required for your headset. JPL's soft shell case is also ideal to store and protect your headset. Protecting and maintaining your headset is vital for your health, and it's also really important for the life of your headset. So thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team, and we'd be more than happy to help. So we'll see you on the next video.